Hello everyone. We are in Pune at ITF W75 Championships. We are very happy to be speaking with Soha Sadiq today. Soha, along with Akanksha Nitture, is the National Women's Doubles Champion. Soha, thank you so much for this interview today. How are you doing?
I'm doing good and thank you for having me.
So you had 3 back-to-back doubles finals in the past 3 tournaments. Your thoughts on this run?
I feel pretty confident, especially with the partnership I have with Akansha, that we can achieve better with the partnership going forward.
How did your partnership with Akanksha come around?
It was all thanks to Auntie, Akansha's mom. She caught an eye that we can do better, and she told me, "Why don't you guys try it out?" And she was right, and we're doing good with it.
What do you think is sticking in your partnership with her?
I think just how we gel together and we know each other really well, which is helping us do better.
You have been at PBI Bangalore for several years now. Can you talk about your team behind you at the academy?
Yeah, so for tennis, our main coach is Andres, who's taking over. But the main thing in PBI is how helpful the owner of Parkon Dravid Academy is, Vivek sir, who's been really helpful and who has put everything in center of sports excellence, that is physio, psychology, recovery, which every professional player needs.
Taking a step back, how did your journey into tennis begin?
It all started with my dad and his dream, which very soon, the very first day of my tennis, was not his dream anymore and was mine. So that's how it started.
Who were your initial coaches and training base?
I started my tennis in Mahesh Bhupati Tennis Academy, and then I went to China for a couple of months. But when I came to PBI was when I believed that I could actually do it, because of one of my coaches in PBI, who was Jorge.
When did you realize that you could pursue it as your pro career?
From the very first day when I stepped on the court, my only goal was to become a pro, because I was very disappointed that they gave me a racket and ball and they asked me to try to hit the ball over the net. I was like, where is the crowd? What is happening?
You have been having promising results in singles as well last year. Quarterfinal in Bangalore and close 3-set losses in Navi Mumbai. How do you review your singles game? What is working and what needs improvement?
I really feel good about singles now, because of the work and amount of work my coach Andres is putting into us, and the off seasons have been very strong, and maybe a few more sessions of his amazing off seasons would get better results.
Okay, so Soha, are you ready for some rapid fire questions?
Yeah, sure.
What are your hobbies?
Hobbies: reading books.
Okay. Which is your favorite travel destination?
South Africa.
Favorite player?
Favorite player is Federer.
Favorite cuisine and dish?
This is a little controversial, but it's the authentic Chinese.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting. Favorite home meal?
Home meal is paya.
A song that is on repeat mode for you?
I don't really listen to songs a lot, but if I would choose to listen to any songs, it would be proper Shah Rukh Khan Bollywood music.
A place that you haven't been to but would love to visit?
I would love to go to Japan.
Your best win so far and why?
I think it was here in Pune. I beat Riya Bhatia when she was India number 2. So
A loss that hurt you the most and why?
I think every loss has hurt me the most.
Toughest opponent that you faced so far?
Again, every opponent is a tough opponent.
If you could play a match at any court in the world, where would it be?
My dream Grand Slam is Roland Garros, so that would be my...
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your time. We wish
Thank
you
you.
all the best.
Thank you.